Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we have a hop today for Kat Scrappiness, and this is the 100 Acre Quokka release. And so we have a new paper pad, we have a stamp, a coordinating die set, we have other standalone dies. So much fun for this release. I love that muted paper there, so much fun. And so we are going to make a shaker card today, and for the hop I'll get into that a little bit later, but I wanted to go through this paper and this background I created during the intro, and I will list that down below for you. And that is using the 100 Acre Beehive background craft die, and it's A2 size, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Here's our new stamp set. And we have coordinating dies, so cute. We have sentiments stamp set as well. I'm using some packaging from my stash and just cutting it to fit this background die cut that I ink blended with some distress inks. So for this hop, so more chances to win, visit everyone's channel. There'll be a playlist down below, and also so leave comments, and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing and liking the videos. We also have an Instagram hop as well, and there'll be an entry form for you to fill out, and it's a $15 gift certificate to the Kat Scrappiness store. And so much fun, and Kat Scrappiness just has so many fun products at the store, so check that out. Check out the new release, check out all the intro videos as well, sharing all the new products that our KS Creative crew has created to share with you and give you lots of inspiration. And I'm just using my just trying to push down my background here on my pattern paper that's cut 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. This pattern paper looks like rain, and I thought it went great with my quokka that I'm going to use, that I colored up off camera and cut out with the coordinating die. And just pushing down, I should have grabbed my Teflon folder and pushed down here. And next I will just add my quokka, and so much fun. I did use some fun sequin mixes, and I will list those down below for you. And so here is my quokka, so cute, and I kind of colored him similar to the pattern paper. So I love looking at the pattern paper, and I put that sentiment there, oh dear, and I'm just going to cut it out with my paper trimmer, and then I'm adding some foam tape to the back of my quokka, and just going to add him to my background. And then I will add my sentiment, and so I love how fast and easy this card came together. I loved ink blending it, this background. Of course, you can use anything that you would like. You can use the pattern paper, and that's fun. I might try cutting this out with pattern paper next. I'm just going to glue my panel here to my A2 card base, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, using my liquid glue, and then I will share with you my bees that I'm going to add after my sentiment. My sentiment is also popped up with some foam tape, and then I will add those 3 bees that I did color on that intro video, and I will have that again linked down below for you. And so super excited and to hop today. I will be hopping as well. I want to see what everyone has created. So much fun. And just adding my last bees here, and then I will shake this card for you, and that finishes this card. So thank you for joining me today. I had so much fun making this card with you, and have a wonderful day.